Zapulse-X1 represents a bold leap into a new generation of drones, one that redefines how we perceive speed, vision, and exploration from the sky. Designed by visionary creator Gazer Chen, it is the first release under his innovative brand, Zapulse. From the very beginning, this drone embodies a striking philosophy, making the invisible visible through speed. Every aspect of the Zapulse-X1 is driven by a relentless pursuit of discovery. Its design merges extreme velocity with the ambition to explore the unknown, resulting in a form that feels both futuristic and purposeful. Sleek, dynamic, and almost alive in its appearance, the drone captures the essence of motion even when standing still. It is engineered not just to fly, but to transform the way we experience the world from above. The foundation of the Zapulse brand adds a deeper narrative to this creation. Rather than simply building technology, Gazer Chen envisioned a universe where design and storytelling coexist. As the brand's inaugural piece, the Zapulse-X1 serves as a technological manifesto, built on the ideas of dynamic light and shadow and omnidirectional perception. It hints at a future where drones go beyond capturing images, where they interpret, enhance, and redefine reality itself. Performance plays a central role in this vision. The Zapulse-X1 is expected to reach speeds exceeding 400 kilometers per hour, pushing it into an entirely new category of aerial capability. At the same time, it doesn't compromise on imaging power. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, it supports breathtaking 4K video at 60 frames per second with HDR and up to 14 stops of dynamic range, delivering visuals that are rich, detailed, and cinematic. One of its most fascinating innovations lies in its flight system. By combining the efficiency of fixed-wing aerodynamics with the hovering flexibility of a drone, the Zapulse-X1 opens the door to significantly extended flight performance. This hybrid approach reflects its core philosophy, merging speed and control, power and precision, exploration and stability. While specific flight time details have yet to be revealed, and an official release date remains unconfirmed, expectations point toward a potential launch window in the coming year. What is already clear, however, is that the Zapulse-X1 is not just another drone. It is a glimpse into the future of aerial technology, where boundaries are pushed and entirely new possibilities take flight.